Hello everyone, here I am recording this video from Spain, specifically from Merida, and I have been wanting to make this video for a long time, and just to explain a little bit what is going on. And as many of you has been asking me, like, are you moving to Spain permanently? Are you leaving Bali? What are you going to be doing? Where are you going to be teaching your trainings and your courses? So, no, we are not leaving Bali forever. Yes, we are settling in Spain and creating a base here for many, many, many reasons. And I'm going to be teaching trainings in Bali. I'm going to be teaching trainings in Spain, and we are going to have two bases now instead of one. And one of the main reasons to come here to Spain and to create another base here has been just to spend more time with family. As now we are more, and we have two kids, and we really wanted to give them the opportunity to spend more time with the grandparents, with the cousins, with the aunts and the uncles, and to be part of a culture, and to just give them this experience that me and my husband Anthony both have, as I am from Spain originally, and Anthony is from England. So we really wanted to give our kids the opportunity to have Europe available for them for whenever they decide to one day maybe move here. And we will be doing both. We will be spending time in Spain. We don't know how long, maybe 5, 6, 7 months, maybe longer. And then we will be going to Bali and spending also some months there to teach and to do our trainings. And yes, some of the reasons has been the family. Some of the reasons has been, the instability of the whole visa process in Bali that keep changing the rules every single day. And after 7 years that we have been living there, we decided to make this move. And it doesn't come easily, because I personally myself left Merida 25 years ago. It's a long, long time. And Spain, 20 years ago. So it has been a huge move for us, physically, emotionally, in all levels, spiritually. And yes, we know that it's going to take a little bit of time to really arrive and to find our flow and to find the way we want to do things here. And definitely one of my goals has been to bring all the knowledge that I have been gaining and learning and also teaching in the past 20 years of teaching abroad. Teaching, I have been for 15 years now, but since I started in the path of yoga has been 20 years now. So yeah, I'm really, really excited to bring all of that to Spain. And teaching in Spain is going to be one of my first goals. I have a teacher training coming up in Barcelona, a Yin Yoga teacher training in September, and slowly I'm going to start setting up Reiki trainings as well. Also the online platform, one-on-one classes, group trainings, and also the Yin teacher trainings that I've been running already for 5 years online. So we are not going to do anything different, except that we are going to have two bases now. And yeah, it's very, very exciting. It's the idea of being able to share what we love in this part of the world that many people has been also asking for a long time. When are you going to be teaching in Europe? When are you going to be sharing here in Spain, or maybe in Portugal, or maybe somewhere else in Europe, right? And after many years wanting to do that, but not finding the time, because before we were only coming for maybe 1 month or 2 months, now we'll be coming for long period, or much longer than what we were doing before. Yeah, we want to dedicate the time to do things right, and not just come out and just settling in and having this as a second home, or as a first home, Bali as a second home. That is the idea, that is the intention. And yeah, so what is coming up now is going to be the Yin teacher training that is happening in Barcelona. This one is going to be in Spain, not in Spain, in Spanish. It's going to be in Spanish. I want to set up more Yin yoga teacher trainings in Europe, whether it is in Spain, whether it is in Portugal, whether it is somewhere else, where I am teaching in English, as many people has been asking me to do in Europe, but in English. But I wanted to start with the Spanish one. And also we have the teacher training coming up in March in Ubud at the Yin movement, and this is going to be a 65 hours teacher training. Also, Anthony is teaching the breathwork that I am also involved of that, and also I'm going to be setting up the Reiki trainings. So stay tuned, and really happy that I'm slowly getting into this workflow again, and there's so many things coming up very soon.